Good evening. Welcome to Ransbury. And this is the Reservoir Park, just across from the college. I can see over here from the camp. And I have no idea if my wife needs to pick you up. But I'm feeling better. I have to get outside. And I think something. It's not been. Trying to get pictures, and I'm considering. They're all very daylight, so it's kind of cool, but I need to get a tripod. So, that's what it is. Work is going well. I'm in a dilemma about getting my boyfriend that's now in the tent. I have no one to get me down there. Everyone else is busy. So, yeah. I think I have to fly out and stay overnight somewhere. And then Howard is making some do that. But you have to ask. It's always good to ask. I feel like it's probably something I never think about before I want to talk about. It is very nice here.
Well, hello again. I don't know if this will pick up my voice behind it. It should. I'm not sure if I got cut off in the last bit. It seemed to only go for 3 minutes and then shut down. But I just wanted to show you essentially the college, the park that I'm currently at, and that's the fun stuff that's going on here. What have you been up to? I really like the reflection here, and it's twilight. I might have to do another one of these at dawn. Again, I think that'll be kind of cool. This is going to test my editing skills because I'm going to have to put both of them together, or I want to. I don't know really how to right yet. It should be fine. Way off in the distance there. Try to zoom. This is years of me working at Sarah TV. Apparently when you set the camera, you can't zoom once you start it. But anyways, there's a steeple back there. The church. You probably can't make it out. But that's okay. We'll talk to you later.